This is a District 228 tech tutorial on Google's Jamboard. In order to access Jamboard, you can click in the waffle and scroll down to find Jamboard, or you can simply go to jamboard.google.com. Once you're on your Jamboard home screen, you can click this plus button to create a new jam. How fun is that? Once you're in the jam, this is essentially just a digital whiteboard. You can do screen records from here, or you can share your screen through Google Meet. And then you've got all your tools over here on the left-hand side. So you've got a pen, you've got an eraser, you've got your select tool. You can also add sticky notes to any of your Jamboards. Kind of stand out, they're pretty cool. You can also insert images, shapes by clicking on the circle. You can insert text boxes as well. And this is a pretty cool feature. It's a laser, so if you're showing something on Jamboard and you want to circle it, the laser disappears, but it's kind of a cool temporary highlight feature. You can also clear your frame really easily if you'd like to stay on just one page. You can change your background, especially if you're doing something with like graphing, or art. Some of these backgrounds can be particularly helpful. If you'd like to save what you've done on the first page and open up a new page, you simply click the Create Frame arrow. And now I'm on page number 2, so I can see over here. Of course, there's also an undo button, super helpful in case you mess up. And then finally, once you're done with your jam, you can share it just like you would anything else on Google. So you can share it with specific people. You can also use the link, post the link in your Google Classroom. Of course, you need to make sure that you change the restrictions if need be. The way that it defaults is only people from BHSD 228 can access, which is perfectly fine for your classes. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please see the librarians in your building if you have any other questions.